Living together. A new friend. A New Friend. Story by Olivier Dupin and illustrations by Silvana Benahi. There's nothing better than a stroll through the forest with my best friend, sighs Heather the Hedgehog to Ralph the Raccoon. Ralph smiles. This is the third time Heather has said the same thing. She's like that, Heather. When she's happy, she tends to ramble on a bit. But she's right, thinks Ralph. This walk is very nice indeed. All of a sudden, Ralph feels some drips on his head. Oh no, it's raining. What are you talking about? Heather exclaims, laughing. There's clearly not a cloud in the sky. Ralph looks up and spots in the branches of a tree a monkey holding a bottle of water. He sprinkled it around, laughing. Hey, stop spraying me with water, cries the raccoon, annoyed. The monkey comes down from the tree and holds out a hand to Ralph. Don't take it the wrong way. I was just messing around. My name's Frankie. I'm visiting your forest on holiday. Heather, who is curious like all hedgehogs, asks Frankie 101 questions. How long are you staying? What's it like where you come from? Do you have a forest like here? What about lions? Why, of course, you must have lions. And another question, then another, and just one more. Oh no, there's another. Later at her house, Heather can't stop talking about Frankie. It's all, isn't he funny, and I'd love to see where he comes from, but it annoys Ralph, who sulks and ends up leaving without a word. Back at home, he starts to imitate Heather, putting on a high-pitched voice. Frankie's this! Frankie's that! What a loser this Frankie is. He decides to go out for a bike ride. That will calm him down. But Ralph's bike has a flat tire. He now recalls that last summer he rode over a thorn and got a puncture. No way! Ralph doesn't know how to repair a puncture. If he wasn't so angry with Heather, he would ask her for help, but there's no way he's doing that. He tries to remove the tire on his own, but what a hassle. Do you need a hand? Asks a voice from behind him. I wouldn't say no, replies Ralph, turning around. Gah! It's that pesky Frankie again. The monkey bounds over in a matter of minutes. The bike tire is as good as new. Wow! Exclaims Ralph. That's really impressive. I have a bike too, replies Frankie. How about going for a ride together? Ralph agrees. He has to admit that this monkey is fun to be around. He's always making jokes. He can see why Heather likes him so much. Right then, the hedgehog turns up at Ralph's house. She wants to know why her friend left in such a mood. When she spots Ralph and Frankie messing around on their bikes, Heather gets a lump in her throat. They are laughing and chuckling, as thick as thieves. So it's like that, is it? She shouts at the boys. Well, I'm off home then. Ralph realizes that Heather is feeling the same way he felt just a short while ago. Jealous. Frankie gets it too. He invites both of them to tea. On the menu, pineapple juice, banana cake, and lots of things that Heather and Ralph have never tried before. Then Frankie says goodbye to his two new friends. Next year, it's your turn to come and visit me. It's probably best if you come back here, says Ralph. At least there are no lions. The end.